Hi, my name's James Cooper with Hydraquip, and I'd like to go over the 7 simple steps to make sure you select the proper hose for your application. We use the acronym STAMPE, so it's easy to remember.
Hose sizes are based on the inside diameter. The dash numbers utilized to identify a hose are based on a 1/16 scale. The exception to this is SAE 100R5 hose. When replacing an existing hose, you can typically get the hose dash size off of the ley line of the hose. If the ley line is illegible, it is necessary to cut the hose and measure the tube diameter with calipers. The hose diameter must be suitable to minimize pressure loss and avoid damage to the hose due to heat generation or excessive turbulence. A flow capacity nomogram can be utilized to properly size a hose for a new application. A nomogram indicates recommended fluid velocities for both suction and pressure hoses. When selecting a hose assembly, 2 areas of temperature must be considered. Internal fluid temperature and external ambient temperatures must be considered. Application details are required to properly select a hose. Some examples of questions to ask would be: where will the hose be used? What are the fluid and ambient temperatures? What type of equipment will the hose be installed on? What are the fitting connection sizes and types? What are the working and surge pressures required? The hose, tube, cover, and fittings must be compatible with the fluid being conveyed. Environmental conditions must also be taken into account to ensure the proper hose cover is selected. Chemical compatibility charts are useful aids to ensure proper hose and fitting selection. System pressure and surge pressure are vital to selecting the proper hose. The published working pressure of the hose should meet or exceed the peak pressure of the system. If the system pressure exceeds the working pressure of the hose, the life of the hose will be reduced. There are numerous sizes, styles, and types of hose connections. One important thing to note is that the rated working pressure of the hose assembly is based on both the hose and the fittings. This chart shows SIE rated working pressures of various types of fittings. Delivery relates to the value-added services desired. Examples of this would be pressure testing, quality control, special packaging, and delivery requirements.
Thank you for watching our video. If you have any questions, please contact your local Hydraquip representative.